The Constitutional History of Pakistan 1973, Case Laws, Total Marks 05, Topic number 0 to the State vs Doso and Other, PLD 1958 SC 533, Introduction. Short QA and MCQS State vs Doso. Introduction. The State vs Doso case is a pivotal episode in Pakistan's legal and political history, marked by a murder trial that evolved into a constitutional crisis. Background. In the rugged terrain of Balochistan, a murder took place, implicating a man named Doso. He faced conviction under the tribal justice system governed by the Frontier Crimes Regulation (FCR) and was handed over to the Council of Elders, known as the Loya Jirga. Dissatisfied with this decision, Doso's relatives took the case to the Lahore High Court, contesting the constitutionality of FCR. The Lahore High Court initially ruled in favor of Doso, deeming FCR unconstitutional. This set the stage for a complex legal battle. Main events facts. Doso's arrest and conviction. Doso, along with others, was convicted under Section 11 of FCR 1901 and subjected to the judgment of the Loya Jirga. Lahore High Court petition. Doso's relatives filed a writ petition in the Lahore High Court challenging the legitimacy of the Loya Jirga's proceedings. They argued that FCR's provisions violated principles of equity before law, equal protection of law, and the right to counsel enshrined in Articles 5 and 7 of the 1956 Constitution. Lahore High Court decision. The Lahore High Court ruled in favor of Doso, declaring FCR repugnant to the 1956 Constitution. This verdict challenged the validity of previous cases decided under FCR, especially since the new Constitution's promulgation in 1956. Appeal to the Supreme Court. The federal government of Pakistan appealed the Lahore High Court's decision to the Supreme Court, which scheduled the case for 13 October 1958. However, a significant political development intervened. Promulgation of martial law. On 7 October 1958, President Iskandar Mirza declared martial law in Pakistan and appointed Ayub Khan as Chief Martial Law Administrator, CMLA. This move led to the dissolution of central and provincial legislatures, effectively abrogating the 1956 Constitution. Laws, continuance in force, order. Just 3 days later, the laws, continuance in force, order was issued, validating all laws except those of the 1956 Constitution and restoring the jurisdiction of all courts. This order replaced the old legal order with a new one. Critical analysis impacts of SC verdict. The Supreme Court's unanimous decision in Doso's case had far-reaching implications. Legalizing martial law, the verdict legitimized martial law, setting a precedent for future military interventions and concentrating power in the hands of military administrators. Halting democracy. The judgment disrupted the nascent democratic process in Pakistan, leading the country towards a period of authoritarian rule. Deprivation of constitution. Pakistan was deprived of its first independent constitution, painstakingly crafted over 11 years. Encouraging military intervention. The ruling encouraged subsequent military interventions, significantly undermining democratic institutions. Revalidating FCR. The judgment revalidated the controversial Frontier Crimes Regulation, a remnant of British colonial rule, which continues to be enforced in tribal areas. Damaging judicial independence. The verdict compromised the independence of the judiciary, obliging judges to render decisions aligned with the new legal order, even if it contradicted principles of justice. Curbing appellate jurisdiction. The decision curtailed the court's power to hear appeals against federal government actions. International critique. Internationally, the decision was criticized for relying on an outdated legal theory, Hans Kelson's legal positivism, and for Pakistan's embrace of martial law. Subservience to the executive. Once again, the judiciary bowed to a strong executive, limiting its ability to provide checks and balances. Strained relations. The abrogation of the 1956 constitution disrupted relations between East and West Pakistan, contributing to East Pakistan's eventual secession. Conclusion. The State vs. Doso case remains a complex and contentious chapter in Pakistan's history. It not only shaped the legal landscape but also had profound political consequences, fostering a culture of military intervention and undermining the country's democratic foundations. This case serves as a stark reminder of the delicate balance between the rule of law and the influence of political forces in shaping a nation's destiny.